Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. Just wanted to share with you our latest project in Redondo Beach. And a homeowner called us, asked us about, we went the rounds about, should we keep the grass, should we not? But we figured it's such a small backyard with grass, and there's kids that play, we figured, you know what? Keep the grass for now. As the kids get older, they're gonna do like a native garden. But we got started in the meantime because we did talk about birds and butterflies and how the horrendous drought is so bad that the bees, the birds, the butterflies, the insects, the little creatures great and small, they need a water source. So we figured that if we're gonna have a water source, why not have a water source that's beautiful? And so the house is here, and then it looks out this way. I want you to take a look. This is a fountain. Let's get in closer here. So this is a fountain, and we just built it between yesterday and today. It's got a little flow control, so I can actually make it go a lot. Or you want to get a glass of wine, come on over. If you want to get a glass of wine, you can just break the water. Really subtle, really cool looking type of fountain. And then we got some plants. So we got some bromeliads, kangaroo paws, and then some aeoniums. Really cool, neat stuff. And then over here, we actually put in a bunch of lavenders, but they're oddly strange lavenders. They're like little pyramids. Okay, so it's a really cool effect. We put some primroses, and we wanted an instant wall from this house right here. So this is a plant called a Calliandra pink powder puff. And so this plant actually gets a really cool flower. You can see the flower right here. It's a red plant. Red meaning that the hummingbirds are actually going to go nuts over this thing, and they love they love to actually eat. They suck the little dew that's inside there. Drought tolerant, and they'll get probably 1 story high. So it's a great little project. It's Mike with Enviroscape LA, just sharing our latest project. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.